My name is Lincoln Edochie. I'm a Nigerian filmmaker, a motivational speaker, fitness consultant, and a connector. Now, make no mistake about this, we are in the connected revolution. And today, why are we here? We gather today together, all kinds of people, different schedules and all that, to witness the unveiling of the greatest transportation business that has been put into an app in today. We've all heard of Uber, Lulu, Prime, Bolt, Taxify, but this is indigenous. This is owned by one of us, a man who has functioned in various capacities over the years. He thought about the things that people have been through, the challenges and all that. They sat down and developed this Limosiris app over a period of 5 years. Today, it's fully functional. There are so many benefits. It's given Nigerians an opportunity not just to become riders and drivers, but also to become CEOs, investors at various levels in this same business. Trust me, Limosiris is the end thing, it's the biggest thing, and it will be for a very long time.